If you have time to kill before your shift, or you're waiting to pick up the kids, or if you just don't want to be dragged in shopping and constantly being reminded about rings and couches and curtains for the new home. Anyway, if you have time to kill, you might want to know how to watch YouTube videos or Netflix shows on your iDrive display. First off, why is it not possible to have YouTube or Netflix on OEM CarPlay? Simply put, non-driver-friendly apps such as these video apps are not allowed by BMW. They want you to focus on the road, not your screen. Now, while we don't recommend that either, we do think it's a great feature to have for your passengers or if you're parked in your car and killing time. So with that out of the way, how do you use these video apps on your iDrive display through CarPlay? Some people tried to jailbreak their iPhones to add YouTube to CarPlay, but this can have some serious negative effects because it removes important security systems from your phone's operating system. The safest and easiest way to do this would be with safe screen mirroring or a USB port, both of which can be found on our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime. AirPlay is your screen mirroring solution. BimmerTech's wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime not only comes with complete CarPlay integration, but allows screen mirroring over AirPlay. That means that anything on your phone, including YouTube, can stream right from your phone to your iDrive screen. First, head to the main MMI Prime interface and scroll over to screen mirroring. Select iOS. After that, connect your phone to the MMI Prime network once prompted. Enter the password if requested, and you're good to go. Our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime offers yet another way to watch your favorite videos. Attached to it is a USB port that allows you to plug in a flash drive loaded with your favorite content. This is perfect for areas where cell signal may be spotty. To learn more about the MMI Prime and how it installs in your BMW, check out our channel for a bunch of different videos. While AirPlay is great, certain apps like Netflix just won't work due to digital right management or DRM technology that blocks screen mirroring. Lame, right? Well, BimmerTech has a solution by offering Smart View Apple TV, which will allow apps like Netflix to stream right on your iDrive display. BimmerTech Smart View HD with Apple TV 4 includes an original Apple TV 4 with remote plus all the required hardware to integrate into your BMW's iDrive. Switch from your iDrive to Apple TV using the dashboard controls, then watch content from any Apple TV streaming app you want. This gives you access to a host of other streaming apps as well, such as Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and HBO Max, just to name a few. The last two ways you can watch videos on your iDrive display would be through your factory USB port or your head unit if you have a DVD player. Now, unfortunately, none of these services can be used if your BMW is in motion. And that is where BimmerTech's USB coding comes into play. With BimmerTech's USB coding, you can enable video services in motion. Simply order your coding option, then transfer the files onto a flash drive, insert the flash drive into your BMW, and your BMW will do the rest. Click the link in the description to order your coding today. And that is how you watch YouTube videos or Netflix shows on your iDrive display through CarPlay using one of BimmerTech's many solutions. For links to all of these products and way more information about this topic, check out our blog, link in the description. For more tips and tricks, product installations, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching. Now I gotta go pick up the kids and talk about shopping and blah, 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 blah.